mention there were some people out here racing up and down the highway on motorcycles?
No, nobody was racing.
For some reason, there's motorcycles sitting right here in front of me.
I was about to say, I'm waiting on him to change his batteries. But...
Yeah, we're literally on the way out of here.
Yeah, so were any of y'all racing up and down the highway?
No, there was a couple 4-wheelers that were coming down here though.
Yeah, I was about to say there's been like 2 or 3 4-wheelers that have been hauling ass up and down, but
you got a tag on your bike?
Yeah.
Where's that?
Under it.
It needs to be out where it can be seen from the highway.
Okay. Yes, sir.
Yeah, y'all should know that.
Mm-hmm.
Y'all look like y'all professional riders.
And just in case you guys didn't know, alright, street racing, dragging, all that kind of stuff, it's a misdemeanor, okay?
yes, ma'am.
Sounds good.
Not on any sort of public roadway, right?
Yes, ma'am. I was about to say,
this kind of stuff is different, but any sort of paved public roadway, it's a misdemeanor.
yes, ma'am.
You got tags on yours as well?
Yeah, it's back there.
Right?
I was about to say, I build y'all's cars.
Out of date too.
It's seen better days.
Better than to do
Yeah.
that.
A lot of people just don't know that.
You got a
on any sort of
current tag for it?
I think so, yeah. The sticker might have fallen off.
So yeah, doing
That's a copy of Florida 28 on a motorcycle.
any sort of competitive
Red.
observing it as a spectator is a misdemeanor.
What is this one? Yamaha?
No.
That's a B.
No, the tile bike.
No, just
What brand bike is it?
Honda.
Honda?
That's a B.
Honda, there it is. Should come back to a red Honda.
I was about to say, isn't it like
That's a B.
Yeah, you said.
It should be one.
Because a couple of people tried to tell me they were felonies. I was like, I didn't think that was the case.
21, man. You don't know if you have a current sticker on or not.
I was in the hospital when that happened. I just got over
You got your
it.
driver's license?
I do, yeah. You want to see it?
Yeah, if you don't mind. You can set it up if you want to continue recording. I'm recording as well.
Yeah, no, it's fine.
That's a driver's license. Yeah, I don't need credit cards, man.
Yeah, you gotta start talking to me. Usually I got the GoPro running, but I was in the middle of switching batteries, you know.
Gotcha. Just get you a current sticker on there and get it fixed up so it's not so.
Yeah.
You can get
If you look right here, my tail, the plastic covering for my taillight actually busted because I had a tire blow on me. And when the tire blew, it shot this up into here, and that's why it's all mangled.
Run it all the way, please. It's usually what I do. Dispatch
I know
is being special right now. I haven't come back yet, but like I said, since it's unreadable, like I was telling him, it's got to be readable from the thing. Being that I know y'all like to fold them back and all that stuff. It's
I mean,
it's what the cool kids do. I know.
I just need to get the mount because my undertow exhaust is weird.
But you know, I've seen guys that have them when they're driving, they fold up. When they slow down, they'll go down just for whatever aerodynamics. I know everybody's wanting to go fast, but it's got to be visible from behind. I don't know the footage.
Yeah.
It's clearly stated in Florida statute, though.
Yeah.
But it's got to be visible, and it's got to be unobstructed. Whatever.
Unobstructed.
Unobstructed. Yeah. Thank you. With the stuff on it, like I said, I couldn't tell from 2 feet away that it wasn't a 8 or a B.
I got you.
You know, if it was clear and clean, it'd probably be more obvious. So just, you know, we'll help hits. Sure. Keep y'all from getting pulled over and harassed by law enforcement.
Yeah, I get that.
You know.
Well, if that's all you wanted to do, then we're going to be on our way out.
Yeah, well, 232, go back.
We'd rather run it beforehand than just buy it civilly and then you get pulled over and then
Copy, thank you. Back primary. All right, bud.
Appreciate it, man.
Hey, man.
I used to work at Williams, so I used to see y'all's cars.
Yeah, well, that's above my pay grade.
Oh yeah, I understand that. But yeah, no, what's it called? The other guy has
he just
Joe has a mount.
Oh, so you're in that one.
This is misguided.
Yeah.
And
Well, if you guys are all right with it, we're going to go ahead and get on out of here.
You can, yeah. He can't right now.
You two are fine.
It's unfortunate we can't watch him drive away on that motorcycle.
Yeah, no.
You're going to have to talk to them. They said you can't drive away on that thing right now because of your tag.
Yeah, we're good.
So, you just gotta, we're gonna take off. We're not gonna babysit you. You're a grown fella, so, just make sure that you don't put this thing back on the road until we leave. All right, bud? All right, guys.
yes, sir. Hey, y'all be safe, please.
Yeah, y'all too, please. Y'all on 2 wheels. I got 4.
I know it's fucking.
Hey, enjoy that heat.
These trails lead out to something.
I'm about to go
How far?
grab my truck.
I have no idea. I've never been down that way.
Huh?
Either sit here for 10 minutes and come out on, or get on Google Maps and figure out how to take these trails.
I mean, I'll wait till they leave and I'll just take off that way. But, like, I mean, I don't know. I knew I should have fucking left when everybody else left. I don't know. Like I told you.
And you fuckers didn't want to come to Eno because of the cops.
Well, the thing is I've never had issues here, ever, never, ever. And like, we used to come out here like a lot.
All right, we need to get going, Hunter. All right, well, good luck. We're gonna head on out, Donnie.
Oh wow, you're gonna leave me like this? At least wait 5 minutes.
Donnie. If they give you a hard time, he's got a truck. Maybe he can come get your bike and put it in the back of his truck and just get you down the road.
Yeah, true. How far is he though?
You got something to write with? My number's